Hi guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In this video I'm gonna unbox the DWE-5600KS-7ER. This is a collaboration model between Casio and Kashiwa Sato. In the box you can find a caliber book. And there is also an international warranty card included. And there is also a little toolkit to replace the bezel and the strap. Now we can open up the box. Designed by Kashiwa Sato. And here it is, the Casio G-Shock DWE-5600KS-7ER with a 3229 caliber. The watch has a diameter of 43 mm. The red face of the watch is inspired by Sato's line series, which is based on the idea that a perfectly straight line is the ultimate expression of beauty. The watch is 14 mm thick. The watch has a lot of functions. It has an alarm, a timer, and it has a stopwatch. This is the replaceable bezel, the orange bezel, with the replaceable orange strap. And here is the green bezel. With the replaceable green strap. The watch has a retail price of €249. If you like this watch, I've got some great news for you, because we have still 2 models left in our stock. Check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss any more Casio or Psycho news. And I'll see you guys next time.